Hello, Eagles. It's Keroy here, author of Divine Soul Whispers. And today I'm going to read you something. Let's see, page 90, Creating a Masterpiece. All right, Creating a Masterpiece. The beauty of this poem is it reminds you of the co-creative nature of who you are. You're creating your own masterpiece right here on earth. So um, keep that in mind every time you encounter challenges, just as you're doing life, that you are creating a masterpiece. Interesting, you will approach life differently when you think about creating a masterpiece, when you think about creating legacy in the process of creating your masterpiece. It's totally a different ball game compared to if you're doing things hush hush, right? All right, creating a masterpiece with outstretched hands. I can see the masterpiece hidden within clouds of matter, covered by norms, wars, and worries. With clear vision, I can see the masterpiece. Parting clouds, dropping veils, I can see the masterpiece. Clear paths, strengthened limbs, mind, body, and soul. I can see the masterpiece. Unfolding as day, turning to night, the masterpiece is revealed. I'm the masterpiece. You are the masterpiece. And together, exploring this earthly experience in our true destiny. It is our true destiny. As always, it's Keroy, author of Divine Soul Whispers. And yes, I do have other books, wisdom nuggets for the soul, and live like a king without going broke. Actually, let me read something for you from Wisdom Nuggets. Okay, in the next video. See you soon. Bye.